Today we will learn how to delete your Facebook account permanently.
So let's start.
Open the Facebook app, tap three lines, scroll down and go into Setting and Privacy. Tap Setting, go into Personal and Account Information. Tap Account Ownership and Control. Now tap Deactivation and Deletion. Select second option. First is for temporary account deletion and second is for permanent deletion. Select second option and tap Continue to account deletion. Select any reason if you want. Tap Continue to account deletion. Your all data shared activities will be deleted. Tap Delete account. Type your FBID password and continue. Your account is deleted now. Don't log in your ID again for a time. It will be permanently deleted.